you are all doing great in this pandemic situation, like corona and locust. Did you all realize locusts swam because of drastic climate change in Africa? In my last video, I mentioned that I had a plan. Did you all guess? Yes! I'm gonna make a new virtual club for saving nature, and the name is Little Nature Champs. I am inviting everyone all over the world to join in my club to save nature. It does not matter where you are. North America, South America, Asia, Australia, Europe, Africa, or Antarctica. Everybody's invited. What are we going to do? Here are some of my ideas. Learn how to use water. Reduce the amount of paper. Reuse, recycle, and reduce. Be mindful what you throw in the trash. Bag it yourself. Borrow or fix rather than buy. And I want each and every club members to spend at least 15 to 30 minutes every day to educate others to save nature. I hope you all realized it's our responsibility to save nature. See you all in the next video. Stay safe, save nature.